Experian Boost can add certain rent payments to your Experian credit file, but only when those payments are verified through supported rental data providers or clearly traceable bank transactions. By the end, you'll know when rent can be added, how the setup process works, and why rent doesn't always show up in Experian Boost, even when you pay on time. Start with the key limitation. Rent is not automatically included in Experian Boost, like utilities or phone bills. It only gets added when Experian can verify your rent payments through approved data sources or linked financial records. Now, explain the main way rent gets added. The most reliable method is connecting a rent reporting service that partners with Experian. These services track your monthly rent payments and report them as payment history if they are confirmed as on time. Now, explain the bank-based method. In some cases, Experian can identify rent payments directly from your bank account if the transaction is consistent and clearly labeled as rent. If your payment shows a stable monthly pattern to a landlord or property management company, it may be eligible for Boost. Now explain why many users don't see rent included. Rent payments often fail to qualify because they are not always structured as standardized transactions. If you pay through cash, split payments, or inconsistent methods, the system may not recognize them as recurring rent. Even payments marked manually or through unclear descriptions may be ignored. Now explain what users usually expect versus reality. Many people assume any rent payment automatically improves their credit score through Experian Boost. That is not how it works. Only verified and recognizable payments are added to your Experian credit file. Now explain the setup process simply. First, you need to link your bank account inside Experian Boost. Then you either connect a supported rent reporting service or allow Experian to scan for eligible recurring rent transactions. After verification, eligible rent payments are added to your Experian credit profile as additional payment history. Now, explain the impact. Once added, rent payments can strengthen your payment history on Experian's system, which is one of the key factors used in credit scoring models. Now, summarize the key points. Rent is not automatically included in Experian Boost. It must be verified through a reporting service or clear bank transaction history. And inconsistent or untraceable payments usually won't count. One practical next step. Check how you currently pay rent and see if it creates a consistent bank record, because clean, recurring transactions are the only ones likely to qualify. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more simple breakdowns of credit tools and how they actually work.